Dictation exercise for Patna High Court. Start. The petitioner in his revision raised all the aforesaid issues and further questioned the correctness of proportionality on the ground of sub rule 3 of rule 29 that a different punishment ought to have been awarded. He further raised the issue that if the second marriage was not permissible in law, then it was void, and a void marriage cannot be made the basis for invoking the provision of Rule 29, which contemplates a subsiting and valid bigamous relationship. The petitioner further submitted that no evidence was laid by the department to dislodge the stand for the petitioner that he had sought permission, and since no evidence was laid in the negative, therefore the procedure adopted by the respondents is defective and no interference of not having sought valid permission could have been drawn. The issue of proportionality was again repeated, but the revisional authority negated all these contentions by recording clear findings. It was found by the revision authority that sub rule 3 of rule 29 had already been deleted through a notification dated 2010-1976, and therefore a lesser punishment could not have been awarded. The question of marriage being avoided was also turned down on the ground that the conduct of the petitioner of having the company of another woman and be getting a child out of the said relationship under any circumstances cannot be accepted as a circumstance to avoid punishment of misconduct, in as much as the petitioner had, according to his own admission, contracted the second marriage. Taking an overall view of the situation, the Inspector General of Police did not find the punishment to be disproportionate and upheld the orders under challenged. Sri K.M. Tripathi, learned counsel for the petitioner, has advanced his submission to the best of his ability, and he submits that apart from the correctness of the order that have been assailed, the petitioner has been punished disproportionately, which shocks the conscience in the given background of the case, and therefore the order impugned are liable to be set aside. Stop.